This is a white 3955. It's a Japanese-made machine. It takes cams. There's a cam door here. It's got a built-in zigzag cam. The control here has a push-button lock for maximum width. And then stitch length. Dial has numbers there and a reverse button. Two big plungers for lifting and lowering the feed dogs, and its side load. Pretty slick, nice blue color, and the stylish stripes on here. But for bobbin winding, it's got clutch on the end and a push button winder here. So we start with the spool pin. It's a rear thread guide, front thread guide, and then it goes out to the winding button and then up to the winder. This winder has the key on the shaft there, that little peg on the shaft, so it has to, you have to lock the bobbin on that key for winding. Threading this 3955, same two thread guides, back and front. These thread guides have two holes in them, so if you're having trouble with snarls coming through, you can thread through the thread guides twice. With our foot up, thread guides around the outside of the tensioner and then up under this finger. Need to come back behind this bar guide here, and then we go through our take-up arm, and then there's a thread guide curly Q, and then another thread guide on the front of the door here. And this machine has the thread guide on the needle bar is broken, but it doesn't seem to affect the machine operation, so I haven't replaced that. But there's a thread guide that should be on the needle bar here, and if you're having issues, make sure that you're using that thread guide or replace the thread guide that should be at the needle bar here. And then it threads from the outside in. Because this is a side load class 15, we take our bobbin here, put it in so it's unrolling clockwise, thread pulls in this hook here under the spring and out next to this finger, and then we just pull the latch up, push the bobbin case in until it latches, and draw the thread up.